Hello people, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we'll be making Nigerian party jollof rice. So first we're going to be making fried beef. We're using cow head for this video. So right now we're just washing the beef and then we're going to pour it into the pot to boil. So now we're adding the onions, stock cube, curry, thyme and salt. So we're going to stir and allow this to boil for a while. So once it's boiled, we're going to move on to frying. So this is the pepper we'll be using for the jollof rice and the beef. It's time to make the stew for the jollof rice and for the beef as well. We're just adding tomato pastes, onion, and our pepper mix. So she's adding just few of the ingredients because of the beef, because we're going to mix this pepper with the beef first before we make the jollof rice. And once the pepper is well fried, we're going to add in our cow meat. And leave it for a while to soak the pepper for a bit. Now it's time for the party jollof rice. So we're adding more ingredients, which is the curry, thyme, stock cube, salt, and we're going to be adding some water. Margarine and bay leaf. So we're going to leave this to boil for a while. We're measuring the quantity that we'll be using and then wash it. So now it's time to add in our washed rice. While cooking, firstly we're using the gas cooker, but then we noticed that our cooker had a little bit issue, so we had to switch to firewood. And you know, jollof rice is usually bomb when you use firewood, but it's just work. Our jollof rice is almost ready. It's still a bit hard, so we're going to leave it for a while to steam. While it's steaming, we'll just have to reduce the fire so it doesn't burn so much. And make sure you turn it. We're going to be adding plastic bag to it so it can also steam well. And now our jollof rice is ready. Very well cooked and very delicious. Guys, that's it for this video. Hope you all enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and also subscribe to our other channels. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.